Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna dive into a hot topic that everybody loves to hate but has to face. 15 foods you should never eat. Yep, you heard that right. I am about to blow your mind with the truth about some of those beloved munchies that you just can't resist. Grab a pen and paper because I am about to drop some knowledge bombs that will have you questioning everything you once held true about deliciousness and healthiness. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. First up, we got microwave popcorn, that buttery smell that fills your kitchen when it's done poppin'. Pure genius, right? Wrong. It is not real butter, and the bag lining is full of chemicals that do'n't belong in your body or your pantry. Next up is soda, both regular and diet. I don't care if it's Coke, Diet Coke, or Cola Zero Blast Extreme. It's all sugar bombs or fake sweetener grenades. Either way, gut wreckers, y'all. And let's not stop at soda. We got processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, lunch meat. Basically, if it ends in nitrate, run. Ain't nothing cute about mystery meat. But wait, it gets worse with boxed mac and cheese. That neon orange powder, that's not cheese, honey. That's wizard dust and preservatives. I know it's quick, it's cheap, and the kids love it. But homemade is where it's at, even if it takes a little longer. Now let's talk about margarine. Just say no to this butter imposter. Quit trying to fake butter. Just use the real thing in moderation. Margarine is basically plastic in disguise. And don't even get me started on packaged snack cakes. If your snack cake can sit on a shelf for 2 years and still be fresh, that's a science experiment, not a dessert. Oh, and don't think for a second that fast food fries are off the hook. They might be golden and crispy, but between the oils, additives, and who knows what coating, child, your arteries are crying. But it gets better, or maybe worse, depending on how you look at it. How about store-bought frosting? I'm sorry, but if the first ingredient ain't sugar but partially hydrogenated petroleum, that's a hard no from me. Canned soup, especially the loaded kind. Some of these soups got more salt than the Atlantic Ocean. Read that label and don't get bamboozled by low-fat lies. And let's not forget artificial sweeteners. Splenda, aspartame, saccharin, whatever you call 'em, they're messin' with your gut and your brain. Trust me, your coffee can handle a little raw sugar. Now I'm gonna put this one on the table, energy drinks. Look, if you need a monster to get out of bed, maybe what you need is a nap, not a liquid heart attack. And don't think for a second that instant noodles are off the hook. That dollar ramen might save your wallet but cost your colon. That stuff is salt, grease, and sadness in a cup. Oh, and frozen pizza. Tastes like cardboard, acts like cardboard in your system. Don't at me. Just make it fresh, honey, if you can. Pre-packaged smoothies. They look healthy, but they're basically fruit-flavored sugar syrup wearing yoga pants. And finally, anything labeled fat-free. That usually means taste-free and chemically enhanced. Fat ain't the enemy. Processed junk is. Well, there you have it, folks. 15 foods that you should never eat unless you want to play Russian roulette with your health. Remember, you've only got one body, and it deserves all the love and care you can give it. So ditch the diet and artificial nonsense and stick to the good old-fashioned real deal. And don't worry, I'm not here to judge your every move. We all slip up sometimes, but it's important to know what we're putting into our bodies. Because knowledge is power, and you are the CEO of yours. So take charge, make informed choices, and live your best life, 'cause you only get one, and it's worth raising Cain for. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Did I stir up some controversy with this one? You know I like to keep it real, and sometimes the truth hurts. But remember, it's all out of love. Love for you and your well-being. Tell me in the comments which food I called out you're mad about, because I know there's always a few that get y'all riled up. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you learned something new today. Thanks for sticking around till the end. And here's to your health and happiness, y'all. I'll catch you next time.